Green screens, Gifs, and Google Slides. Oh my! At the end of this video, you will have the tech skills necessary to create an activity just like this. We're going to start by learning a little bit about green screens. So what is a green screen, and why would a PE teacher want to use one? Green screens are used in Hollywood so that actors can be made to appear to be in unimaginable places or doing impossible things. A chroma key effect is used during video editing, which removes the green background, and then a new background is inserted behind the actor. PE teachers use green screens to create videos or GIFs to demonstrate a variety of skills and exercises. Like in Hollywood, the green background is removed, and then the video or GIF can be set on a blank background or anywhere under the sun, or on the sun, or on the moon. Inside of a volcano, swimming with sharks, you are only limited by your own imagination. Next, I'll go over 4 tips to help improve the chance of green screen success in the PE setting. Tip number 1. Use soft, balanced lighting and stand 3 feet away from a smooth and taut green screen. Good lighting is extremely important when using a green screen. Basic 3-point lighting includes soft key light aiming toward the subject, soft backlight that points at the green screen, and soft fill light that faces the backlight and fills in the shadows. Poor lighting, misdirected light, a wrinkled green screen, and standing too close to the screen can all cause shadows. Overly bright lighting can cause uneven light on the screen or make the subject look washed out. All of these issues can make it difficult to cleanly remove the background and can cause the image to be dark, fuzzy, or have a green halo effect around it. Tip number 2. Don't wear green in front of a green screen. Well, unless you want an invisible shirt. Luckily, the subject on the left has writing on her shirt. Otherwise, it would look like her entire torso was invisible. Even a light green shirt in front of a green screen is problematic. Notice how the green from the screen comes through the middle subject shirt. The dark blue shirt on the right contrasted well with the green screen, so it shows up clearly. Tip number 3. Don't lose your hands, feet, or head over this. Make sure your green screen fully covers the area behind and beneath your subject, or you will have images with missing limbs or even a disappearing head. If your subject is moving, they cannot go beyond the edges of the screen, or that part of their body will be cut off. If your green screen is too slippery or not long enough to go behind and beneath your subject, an alternative is green bulletin board paper taped to the floor. If you don't cover the ground, the subject's feet will disappear. Tip number 4. Use a tripod, quality phone or iPad, and a remote to record videos. A new smartphone set up on a tripod produces nice videos. Even slight movement from a person holding a phone to record reduces the quality of the video. It's also helpful to have a tripod so that you can record videos of yourself performing skills, exercises, or providing instruction. Although it is not necessary, a remote makes recording easier. Without a remote, you will have to go back and forth between your phone and green screen several times. More editing will also be required to eliminate frames at the beginning and end of your videos. You have a great video on your phone. Now, how do you get it onto your computer so you can work with it? 2 options to move your video from your phone to your computer are to upload via Google Drive or to send the video to yourself as an attachment in an email. On your mobile device, you will need to go to where the video is saved. Most likely, it will be in your Photos app. Click on the video. click Share at the bottom, find Drive, then Upload. You can even select where in your drive you'd like the video to be saved. In order to do the next step, you will need to right-click on the video in your drive and then download it. The second option is to send the video to yourself as an attachment in an email. When it arrives, click on the video in your email. A window will pop up asking if you want to download. Click the download button. Your video will show up as a tab on the bottom of the window. Your video is finally on your computer. Let's turn it into a GIF. There are several websites available to create GIFs. Two free websites that I like are easygif.com and imgflip.com. You can make quality GIFs up to 15 seconds long and do GIF editing within both of these sites. In both sites, the first step is to select the Video to GIF tab and upload a video. After uploading your video, you will adjust the start and end times. I like to try to make my exercise GIFs look like there is no start and end as much as possible. There are situations, though, that you would want to show a very clear start to an activity and a very clear end. For instance, if you are creating an overhand throwing GIF, you would want to show positioning of the arm at the beginning, stepping with opposition, the release, and follow through. Once you are happy with the timing, convert to GIF, then edit the GIF by cropping, resizing, adjusting the speed, etc. You can always go back and change things if you don't like something about your GIF. When you are satisfied with the results, download your GIF. You can see here that I kept normal speed with text for one of my GIFs and 150% increase in speed and no text in the second GIF. These GIFs are ready to be inserted into Google Slides. Or I could do one more thing with them. Now you have a GIF. Let's remove the background. Open up a new tab and type unscreen.com. Upload your GIF into Unscreen by clicking the Downloaded GIF tab at the bottom of your window, dragging it and dropping it into the upload box. The background will quickly be removed from your GIF. This site does a pretty good job of removing most any background from a video or GIF, but using a green screen along with proper lighting ensures the best results. Once the GIF has finished uploading, it can be downloaded without the background. If you use the free version of this website, your GIFs must be less than 5 seconds long. In the free version, you are also limited to downloading 20 unscreened GIFs per day. After you have downloaded your unscreened GIF, you can save it by dragging it into a folder on your Google Drive and/or insert it into a Google Slides project. Keep in mind, a GIF is not a video, so you will click the Insert tab, select Image, and then click on the location of your GIF. If your GIF is downloaded and in a tab at the bottom of your screen, you should also be able to just click it and drag it into a slide. To insert a background on your slide, you need to click outside of the slide, and a background tab will pop up in the toolbar. Click it, click Choose Image, click an image, and click Insert. So what do you think? Pretty cool, right? These GIFs were created from a video that was recorded using an iPhone 8 connected to a tripod. The subject was standing in front of a green screen. The video was uploaded to EasyGif as well as imgflip.com and turned into GIFs. The GIFs were downloaded and uploaded into unscreen.com and downloaded and then uploaded into Google Slides. Finally, an image of the planets was inserted into the background of the slide. This type of slide could be shared with students for remote learning or projected on a gym wall. I like to do projects like this on a laptop, but if you prefer to use a mobile device, there are lots of great apps available that serve the same purpose as the websites I've shared. Doink is a multi-purpose app made for Apple devices that can be used to record videos, remove backgrounds, and then create really cool multi-level images and videos. IMG Play, GIF Maker, and Giphy are all GIF generating apps for mobile devices that are quite easy to use. If you'd like to learn more about using these free tools, I'd recommend searching online for tutorials. We've talked about green screens, GIFs, Google Slides. Oh my! Since I started incorporating technology into PE about 4 years ago, I've realized a few things. Number one, the possibilities are endless. Technology is evolving every day. This means that the opportunities for use in PE are limited only by our imagination. Number two, don't be afraid to click buttons. With technology, there are usually several ways to achieve the same goal. The way I do things today may not be the most efficient, but they are effective. I will never know all there is to know, but I shouldn't be afraid to click buttons, open tabs, or try new things. Whether or not I like the result of the clicking, I will learn something new. Fortunately, most things can be undone with the click of an undo button. Number three, don't give up. Finally, don't spend too much time trying to figure out something. If I don't know how to do something, I don't quit. I Google it. Someone out in the world has taken the time to write a blog or make a video to teach even the most obscure skills. If that doesn't work, I ask a tech guru. You've got some new tools. Don't be afraid to try them out. Have this video open in another tab as you try some of these skills. Hit play, hit pause, try step 1. Play, pause, try step 2. Maybe hit rewind. Start again. Whatever you need to do. It might be slow the first time or two, but before you know it, you'll be a pro. Many thanks to my PE tech gurus, Becky Fulmer, Cindy Cortines-Vogt, and Erin Yanni. Without these women, I would know half as much as I do about creating tech lessons for PE. I hope you can find yourself a techie BFF or two. Thanks for watching. I hope that you found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Twitter. Good luck and have fun creating.